Good morning. I just wanted to hop on and show you actually how I screen out my infusions. So I can do a hot infusion or a cold infusion. I tend to usually do cold infusions. They do take a little bit longer, but I really like how they turn out. And so what an infusion is you take an herb, you would put it into a jar, you fill it with the oil of your preference, and then you let it sit in a dark area. Sometimes you can put it, depending on the herb itself, in the sun for a couple weeks, and then just shake it every day, give it a good stir. It just depends exactly what it is that I am infusing. So this one itself is actually dandelions. It has been infusing, I'd say, for probably 6 to 8 weeks, which is more than long enough. So I just wanted to show you how I would strain it out. Super simple. You just take like a cheesecloth or a muslin, whatever works for you. You could even use like a stainless steel strainer. The only thing I don't like about that is you don't get all of the oil itself, because you can't really, all you can really do is push down on it. You can't really squeeze it nice and tight. So that's the reason that I like to use some sort of natural fabric. So I'll show you what I do. Okay, and all you do is I just have a clear glass bowl right below it. I have my cheesecloth, and then I just take my infusion and dump it right in. And I don't worry about cleaning it out so much, as long as there's not big pieces. This is actually to make soap, so I don't need to strain this more than once. It's okay if there's little bits in there. It's something that I'm okay with. And then you just lift it up, and then you just squeeze it out once it's done. Get every bit of that oil and dandelion mixture in. But as you can see, if you used a strainer, you wouldn't really get all that goodness, and the best part is actually that thicker stuff that's coming out. That's from the dandelion itself. So to me, it's worth using like a cheesecloth or a muslin. So that's it. That is how I strain my herbal infusions. I hope this is a video that you would find informative. If it's something that you'd like to see more of, like a behind the scenes, the way that I do maybe colorants, infusions, if you'd like to see how I do those and why I do the type of infusions that I do, I would really like to hear from you. I'd be happy to do that type of thing. It's something that I'm really passionate about and like adding into all of my products. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.